OmniStudio, formerly known as Velocity, is a powerful digital engagement suite from Salesforce. It is a low-code tool, which means we can build applications without writing much code. It helps businesses create guided experiences in a fast and simple way. Instead of writing complex Lightning Web components and Apex code, developers can use drag-and-drop features. This reduces development time and improves productivity. OmniStudio also helps in handling complex business logic. For example, a plan selection screen can change dynamically based on customer details like zip code. Where is OmniStudio used? It is mainly used in Salesforce industry clouds. In communications, it is used for mobile plan activations. In healthcare, it is used for patient onboarding and insurance claims. In energy and utilities, it helps in starting or stopping services. And in public sector, it is used for license and permit applications. Overall, OmniStudio helps companies deliver faster, smarter, and more personalized digital experiences. Thank you.